If machines can talk and write, what makes human communication special?
You can send a message in seconds using a screen, but real communication is much deeper than typing words. Humans read facial expressions, tone of voice, pauses, and body language without even realizing it. The mystery is that much of communication happens inside brain networks that machines do not truly experience. If we understand these social brain systems, we understand why human connection still matters in the AI age.
So, what does that actually mean?
Communication is not just exchanging information, it is sharing meaning and emotion. Your brain constantly interprets tone, context, and intention beyond vocabulary. In an AI-driven world where machines can generate perfect sentences, the human advantage is emotional nuance and social awareness. When you strengthen these skills, you strengthen your ability to lead, collaborate, and build trust. Understanding this may be one of the most important skills for thriving in the AI age.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, your brain has specialized systems for social understanding, including mirror neuron networks that help you sense what others are feeling. The prefrontal cortex evaluates intentions and guides appropriate responses. The amygdala reacts to emotional cues, especially facial expressions and tone. Dopamine circuits reinforce positive social interactions, making connection rewarding. Through neuroplasticity, repeated healthy communication strengthens these social brain pathways over time.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, strong communication helps you explain ideas clearly and work well in teams. In friendships, it builds empathy and reduces misunderstandings. Under stress, good communication prevents conflict from escalating. In careers such as doctor, psychiatrist, entrepreneur, policymaker, or AI engineer working with teams, social intelligence often determines leadership success. The ability to connect with people remains one of the most valuable human skills.
So, small equals big?
Yes, each respectful conversation is like planting a seed in a relationship garden. Over time, those seeds grow into trust, confidence, and social competence. Strong communication habits become part of your character. Character influences how others respond to you and what opportunities come your way. Small daily moments of listening and empathy compound into lifelong social strength.
So, how do I start?
First, use a thinking step by asking yourself what the other person might be feeling before you respond. Second, use a feeling step by slowing your breathing and calming your emotions if you feel reactive. Third, use a behavior step by practicing active listening, which means making eye contact and repeating back what you heard. Practicing these steps daily strengthens your social brain networks.
What should we do today?
Today, have one conversation where you focus fully on listening without interrupting. Notice how your brain works to interpret tone and expression. Afterward, reflect on how the other person responded to your attention. Share what you observed with your family and discuss how connection felt different. Human communication is powered by complex brain networks that go far beyond words. Every time you practice empathy and listening, you strengthen those neural pathways. In the AI age, strong social brains will guide technology toward healthier outcomes. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.